Hello everybody, it's Uncle No Identity, and in today's video, got some Dr. Pepper Blackberry I'm going to be drinking today, but also, I got a cool airplane that I want to show you, so I'm going to take a sip of my Dr. Pepper and we'll get to that. That's not bad actually, if you haven't tried it, it's pretty good. Okay, so what are we going to take a look at today? Actually, first I'll show you something else. So, it's kind of broke, but good enough condition to show the camera. This is my first completely assembled 1/48 scale airplane. As we can see, it's a Stuka. It's missing the propeller blade, but I know where that is, and the landing gear is sitting on the mantlet where this plane was sitting. So I've got all the pieces I need for it, really. This is also a monogram kit, a really old monogram kit. I've actually got the box with me right here. Okay, monogram Stuka JU87G1. This is the first 1/48 scale kit that I've actually built up and got mostly done. I've never even put decals on there, but that looks good enough to me. So, in today's video we're actually going to be taking a look at another 1/48 scale airplane. Oh no, I think the gun's loose in there. Oh well. So I recently bought this kit yesterday and I'm really excited for it. A 1/48 scale F-14 Tomcat. Now, I've seen videos of this kit. The details are kind of soft, I think, but I wanted this one particularly just because it was a Top Gun scheme. So I'm going to crack it open and show you all what we get in the box. Oh, so that's upside down, but landing gear, tail section, landing gear, some more, one pilot figure, and the full airplane. Okay, so I'm already impressed. I mean, this is a huge aircraft. Actually, what's crazy was when I bought this thing, look, here's the body minus the nose cone. There's the front of this mold. It goes all the way back to here. That's incredible. Anyway, when I bought this kit, these are for your jets, I think. Those moving pieces that like do that. And I saw a 1/48 scale Black Widow, and its box was bigger than this one, but I couldn't help but realize when I was looking at the numbers, they're both 1/48 scale kits, but they're both practically the same size, and just the Black Widow had a bigger box though, which was kind of cool. Here's the decal sheet. So it's got the 114s for Maverick's plane. It also has 104. I think that was Iceman's plane. But I'm not seeing any decals for Iceman and his crew member. It's just Maverick and Goose's decals. Also, you only get one set of tail markings. I think, again, Iceman had different tail markings. This kit has all the way up to 36 steps. It's definitely going to be something cool to build. The only problem is I've got no idea where I would put this thing. There's putting the landing gear together. Landing gear doors. Putting a missile on the missile bay. We can model this in two ways, open or closed. I think I'll do the open canopy up here. The canopy pieces look pretty okay. Yeah, those look pretty good. Okay, let's crack open one of the boxes now, or one of the bags. There is just only one bag. My goodness, that thing's big. We are looking at just under 14 inches. Now that's without the nose cone. It's probably going to be a 16-inch kit. Actually, .50 inches in length. So this is, I said, just under 14, so 15.5, so it'd be about a 1.5 inch nose cone. So about there to there would be the full length of it. A pretty nice detail in the gears area. But I will say those panel lines are very shallow. Got nice big fins right here underneath the jets. A piece of screw that's got to come off. Here we have the landing gear pieces. One pilot. Interior, that's the gauges here. And here's the upper body of it. You can see the space for where the swing wings would fit in. Very nice. Again, absolutely massive airplane. Yeah, these pieces, this piece up here, actually, with that tail on the line, measures up to just over 14 inches. That's an impressive airplane. And again, you got that extra 15. You have that 15 piece right coming up here. That's the nose cone. And speaking of the nose cone, if I can get it out of there. And here's your nose. You got your jet pieces. Fairly shallow interior detail. I might just go with it though. Or I might try going fully aftermarket on this kit, who knows. Never actually tried that before. Most of my airplanes never had aftermarket accessories. I didn't feel like spending that kind of money, and at the time I wasn't talented enough, so just never bothered with it. Here are the seats. Yeah, I think if I want to go the full length, I might have to do that. Get some aftermarket pieces for this kit. These, by the way, your intakes. Really big pieces too, I will say. Of course, the whole airplane is really big too. Okay, we've got one more screw to take a look at. Got the swing wing pieces. Here's where that's the pivot point, and then obviously your two gear sets which allow them to swing with each other. You push this side and the other side moves. The two massive tail fins up there. Now, to my knowledge, I don't think I've actually seen an F-14 in person in flight, but I was alive when they were existing, so that's pretty cool. They retired them in 2006, if I'm not mistaken. And they should have built the F-21, and that never happened. And you can find many videos on that on different channels. Rear tires, I'm not sure what all this detail is, but that looks kind of cool. Front wheels is there. Here are the other sides of those back wheels. Oh, look at the detail here too. So, I mean, it's got some highlights, it's got some good points to it. Got some work to do fixing those tires. Yeah, all in all, it's a solid kit. Looks really good. Like I said, I'm definitely, I think, want to order some aftermarket pieces for this kit. I don't know what bit me, but I got bit by the Tomcat, so Oh, here's something before I pack it all up. Here's a mock-up of the two body parts put together. Golly, that thing's amazing. I'm gonna have so much fun putting this one together. Alright, well, I'm gonna put everything back in the box now. And we'll close out this video. So this concludes my brief unboxing of Revell's 1/48 scale Top Gun Tomcat. I don't have the Top Gun Hornet, but I do actually already have a Hornet kit. It's a Hasegawa kit, if I'm not mistaken. That one looks pretty good too. I did like that one. Again, haven't put that one together yet either, but that Stuka that I showed you is the only 1/48 scale plane I've actually put together. Of course, I've got all these model cars and figures and tanks that I'm working on, so. And also, I don't have any gray paint. Move you guys up here out of the way while I fix this box. The thing I don't like about model kits is unpack it, and then when it's time to pack it again, you just never seem to figure out how to put it back in there. It's like they're meant to be unpacked and then just unpacked. You can't put them back together. Okay, I think I got it now. So close, get that in there. Okay, so did it, I guess. Now watch, those fins in the back are still gonna keep the box up. Yep, called it. Those tail fins right there. Well, that concludes my unboxing of the Top Gun F-14A Tomcat kit from Revell. Hope you guys like this video, and can't wait to show you some more cool kits. I've also got this. I think y'all are going to really like. I'm going to do an unboxing. Here's a sneak peek. Hasegawa's J35 FJ Draken. I really dig the camo scheme. Man, that's just a super cool airplane. But again, we'll save that for another video. So that concludes this episode, and we'll get to it when we make the next one. Cheers.